Okay, this is the second floor. This is the office secretary, looks like. The pull down ladder to the upper attic is here. So, insulated ladder installed as instructions indicate. That's nice. Coming on up, nice clear area around to keep insulation from falling down it. We've got the attic light right there, let there be. So what we have here is OSB radiant panels. We have soffit baffles for our soffit vents, loose fill insulation. Alright, so far I haven't seen, and I'm looking for our depth markers for the insulation. We can kind of work our, there they are, 9 inches. And then with the radiant panels, it seems to be, design is beyond my scope, but that seems to, my experience suggests that this is a real decent amount of insulation for the living space. What we have here also, and it'll be a different video, but we got 2 indoor air handlers. I just got off the phone with my client, and there might be another one, but for the time being in the upper attic we've got 2 indoor air handlers. Now we're coming along here, and I'll get a better idea when I walk the exterior of the property. I just wanted to make sure. Like I said, I was just right out of the gate. I'm just getting started, all sleepy-eyed and stuff. See that cross beam right there? I'm going to show you another example, a better example of what I'm talking about. See this board right here, that little pancake thing? That's called palm bracing. Now, the code is actually the code is silent on palm bracing. So, some home inspectors, to be honest, they get really excited about palm bracing. It's only 2 places I've seen it so far. I'm sure there's others. Well, the whole idea is, if it's not, code is silent on it, it's the load path. And as long as the load path is properly supported, and it's not all cattywampus and stuff, then that's, I consider that, and a lot of other people, not everybody, a lot of people consider that acceptable. The load path is supported. It's doing its job. Some people argue, well, what about uplift? Well, the uplift is generally considered to be handled, if I could find them. Well, I'm not seeing any collar tie. There's a collar tie right there. It's almost a palm brace. And the rafters, as the rafters are attached, then all these attachments would, satisfy the need for uplift protection. So, and to be fair, there's a lot of areas right here where the uplift could have been done, better. So, but I'm not seeing a problem with the palm bracing per se. Now this ridge beam that's coming through here, I'm just not seeing any nails. I'm not seeing a lot of support right there. I think they missed their mark. We need to come back here a little bit and do some nailing. I'm glad we looked at that. I'm glad I had my little story. Because we're missing a little bit. No, those nails, that's not going to help you with uplift. Sure not. Okay, and then another thing that we've got here is these nails coming through the roof. You were supposed to have those. The nail actually has to extend through the decking, what is that, a half an inch? So sometimes they're in abouts, and for whatever reasons called engineering and physical science, that actually helps the shingles stay on better. There's more tension, as the shingles pull on it, it keeps them from pulling off. So those nails, I've had clients that go like, what about all those nails? Well, don't rub your head against them. Don't rub your head against those nails. So what do we learn? We learned that the insulation is okay, the ventilation is okay in this upper attic. We learned that we've got depth markers. We learned about palm bracing. We've got passive exhaust vents, radiant panels. But of concern really about the only thing that's come to light right here is the way this board is fastened. This ridge board right here.